Alright everybody, so what is going on, man, and welcome to today's video. Another bittersweet video today. We are actually out here at a memorial for another one of our fallen friends. I'm not sure if y'all have saw, but he was actually the driver of the GTR that was wrecked when the big piece of concrete had fell actually over the bridge. So yeah, we're actually just out here right now having a big memorial meet for him as well. All right, bro. We've got all the cars out here. So yeah, man, this is, like I said, this is actually back-to-back videos, which is kind of sad, unfortunately. But yeah, we've got everybody out here, man. So just to show you all the cars. Wait, what happened?
We weren't supposed to get our tickets back.
Oh shit.
I just followed your lead.
I thought that's what they were doing. I thought that's what they were doing.
I was following Devon's lead, that's my fault.
That's yours.
Alright.
Hold on.
Now watch out my first one be the winning ticket.
Right? He's gonna pull it out and just say it like 3 times and no one's gonna answer. We're like, shit.
Let me see it. Let me see it. There you go, brother.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
That's great.
Thanks for putting on this event.
Yeah. A hoodie or a t-shirt. They all say 5th gear. If you hate the shop, sorry.
You probably work for another one.
I hear there's a place in Smyrna you can go.
Oh.
They're dyno Taylor's tune, obviously.
499. Anybody got 499?
No?
Yeah, I got it.
Nobody?
Anybody?
Okay.
That was my original ticket then.
That was one of them boys down there.
That was one of
483. 483. I don't have a ticket.
Those are ours, Devon. Those are ours.
We're pretty much wrapped up now. If you guys want to hang out, don't matter to me, whatever you want to do. But again, thank you so much for coming out.
You walk straight up into it. Anyone want to make some money?
Alright, who wants to race a bone stock STI?
Like one of them.
Anybody but